Hey there, Progreda users. Welcome to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a custom form to your Progreda calendar. So why is this important? So adding a custom forms allows you to gather specific relevant information from your clients or leads. So that's going to be during the booking process. It enhances your scheduling experience by tailoring questions to fit the context of a specific calendar or service. So, ready to customize your Progreda calendar? Let's jump right in. Of course, log in to your Progreda account. So, here, when you or your clients book a slot on your Progreda calendar, a form appears by default. So, but what if you want to ask customized questions that are relevant only to this calendar? That's where custom forms comes in. So let's say we're running a calendar for your business and we need to ask clients questions specific to their needs. So let's create a custom form for that purpose, okay? So to create a custom form, follow these steps. Go to Sites in your Progreda dashboard and select the option to create a new form. Now, let's say Form Builder. Click on Forms Builder. So select the option to create a new form or add form. All right. Here. So next, start by adding basic questions such as, let's say, start from scratch. So let's say, such the client's name, email, and phone number. You'll find these under the standard field section. So here, this is where the magic happens to ask specific questions that are not covered by the standard fields. So we will add a custom field. So let's say, for example, we want to ask, describe your business overview. So to do this, here, let's wait for it to load. So to do this, once you here, you just need to add it. Or here, custom fields, you just need to add. And here, your message, how long here, you can just add it here. All right. So once you're satisfied, yeah, this is the new custom field. So once you're satisfied with your form, don't forget to add a submit button. You can customize its appearance, for instance, make it full width for better visibility. Also, yep, that's it for creating the form. Hit save. So that's to ensure your changes are locked in. All right. That's how easy it is, right? So that's it for creating the form. Just hit save form to ensure your changes are locked in. And yep, to recap, go to settings, select calendars, choose the calendar you want to edit, and click edit. And in the confirmation step section, find the drop down for forms. Select the custom form you just created. In this case, let's say about your client's business. Then just select the form and click complete. So once you're done, click complete. And your calendar is now linked to the custom form. All right. So to check if everything works, just test it out. Open your calendar, select a slot. The form that appears should now be the custom form you created. As you can see, if you try it out, the form with the custom, like describe your need question, is showing perfectly. So, and there you have it. a quick and simple way to add a custom form to your Progreda calendar. By customizing forms, you can gather the most relevant information from your clients and streamline your processes. All right, so here's a quick recap. So create a custom form in the Forms Builder, add standard and custom fields, save the form and link it to your calendar, test to make sure it's working perfectly. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Progreda tips. So if you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or reach out for support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy customizing! Bye for now.